My name is Emmanuel Emodek. I do car restoration, and that basically what that means is that I go out with a couple of friends. We hunt down for what they call classic cars or old model cars, and we buy them from the previous owners. Most of these cars are beaten. They are probably, you'd consider them as scrap, and for us, what we see gold. This is a W123 Mercedes, and the bodywork has been done. And what is just remaining here is basically doing a paint job, and then they'll do the fittings of everything that is missing onto this car, and the car is good to go. So this is a Jaguar. This is a 2 Series, and this is more of like a luxury car. The state at which you're seeing this car today, it has undergone engine work, body work, and from here, just a few engine issues that have to be worked on to get it running. This is a 4.2 liter engine, and actually the Jaguar has 2 tanks at the back, which is something very interesting. You hardly see that in many of these cars. A proper luxurious car. Next to me here is a BMW. This is called a model 2002. It was the first 2,000 liter engine built in the world. And before we went into recession and things like that, where people now started building cars that consume less. This car has probably won most of the rallies in the early days. It's what the Germans term as the ultimate machine on the road. Yes. So they've done the body work, they're now finishing the engine work, and then from here it's going for its body spray. And the team around here are basically people who are fixing and making sure that these cars look beautiful on the road. Right here, this is an Isuzu 117 Coupe. This car was manufactured in 1975. This car has a bit of history. It was driven by one of the ministers during the Amin's regime. And when we found this car, it was really bashed, rotten, and it's just taken a transformation. We've done the paint job. Right now we're fixing a few engine issues that it has. Yeah. So from the garage that we were yesterday, today we are actually seeing 2 cars that have been fully restored. And the one I'm standing next to here is an Isuzu 117 Coupe that has been fully restored. And this is what would call a limited or a vintage. And behind me is a fully restored Mercedes-Benz 115 model, which is a 1968 vehicle. So I'd like to invite you for the ride, and yeah, feel this car, and probably when you sit in, you'd probably sell the car you have.